As my man Carson, he's riding. He's walking his huge dog over there, and when he gets to that white mailbox, he's gonna say bacon. His dog's gonna get all hype and run as fast as she can to his house. It's crazy. It's crazy funny. She gets wilder. We're almost there. I'm talking low. Because I know it's not that fun, but because it's funny. It's fun recording people. That's creepy. That sounds creepy. What's happening? What's happening? Come on, Cousin, do it. Okay, this is censored. I'm just gonna pause it real quick while she stops. Or she stopped. Oh yeah, he's picking it up. This is censored. Okay. Yeah, it's not that fun. I was just trolling all of you. All right. Trash bag of poop.